All right. So yeah, guys. So the best way to make money online in 2020 or even in 21, let's say for the 2-3 years upcoming year, and the way that I'm making money and that I made $100,000 in the past month, guys. So let's get right into it real quick. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, by the way, guys, I'm going to be looking here because I'm doing a live at the same time. I'm going to be responding to a few comments. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is 𝐒𝐬𝐧 𝐓𝐡𝐞, also known as the Boss Entrepreneur. I help business grow their brand and their revenue using Instagram, sales funnel, and pay advertising. So subscribe to that channel, drop a like, and let's get right into it. So the best way to make money right now online, and the way that I'm making money, guys, there's probably 3-4 ways that I'm making money online at the moment. I'm going to tell you exactly which one I'm making the most and which one are the easiest and stuff. So it really depends if you're a beginner or if you're already in business. But if you're asking that question, you're probably a beginner, you're probably dabbling into some stuff. So I will take that position. So first of all, the income that I'm making, the most income that I'm making, first of all, it's what we call a info product, all right? A digital product. So it's a monthly subscription. A lot of people think when you say digital product, info product, is just a course, right? Or maybe an ebook. There's dozens of digital and info product. I know 10 or 12 for a fact that are really great, that are the best, the most popular. And I got a blog article on that. Oh no, it's in my course, sorry. In my course Funnel Mastery, and also in my course Info Product Mastery, how to sell courses, ebook, monthly subscription. The 3 most popular is obviously course, ebook, and monthly subscription. But monthly subscription are so underrated. I'm making $40,000 plus, almost $50,000 per month with a monthly subscription of a $100 product. $100 services, actually, not a product. This is the thing. With a monthly subscription, it's not going to be a product most of the time. It's going to be a subscription. Dope Inc. Bro, thanks a lot. How to start with $0. There's a lot of guru that will tell you, oh, this is how you can start with $0. I'm going to tell you, you cannot start with $0. How to start with $0? Get some motherfucking money, my friend. Right? Go get your money. You need some money to eat. You need some money to start a business. You need some money for everything. So don't ask how to start with $0. I don't want to even engage into that. So the way that I do most of my money is monthly subscription, about $45,000 per month. So number 1 ways to make money online at the moment, it's an info product, guys. But the thing is, if you're a beginner, you should not be selling an info product, or unless you're an expert, but you're beginning online. But if you're an expert, guys, you should be making a lot of money already, even if it's not coming from online, right? So if you're making, let's say, more than $7,000-8,000 per month, $10,000 per month plus, $7,000-8,000 per month plus, you should invest like literally 40-50% of that money, so $4,000 per month when you're getting started, to make sure that you have the right people, the right structure, the right knowledge. So maybe you buy a course, you buy a program, maybe you buy consulting services, you have some money to invest in ClickFunnels, in a graphic designer to create your Instagram post, maybe someone to post for you on Instagram, and some money for advertising, all that stuff, right? So if you're an expert, then the second way that I make money is actually not the second way. If you're it's the third way for me. Second way for me is my digital marketing agency, right? Which I have a client that is paying me £10,000 per month, so like $12,000 per month. And third ways is consulting. You can make money with that as well. So if you're a professional, you should start with consulting right away, because you don't want to start your own agency. You're already doing consulting, and the info product is gonna come later. Yes, it's cool to have an info product because it's more scalable, because more people can buy it and it doesn't take your time. If you want to do consulting, it will take up your time, right? So there's a limit of client that you can get. A lot of people, they don't understand. They want to start a digital marketing agency or they want to do consulting. They don't understand that after 5 clients, you're pretty much done. If you have a super good streamlined system and you pretty much don't have a lot of work to do, maybe you can go to 8 or 10 clients, but make the math, right? If you can only make 5 clients and you're charging $1,000 per month, that means you're capped at $5,000 per month, maybe maximum $8,000, $10,000 per month. So you're never gonna grow like crazy because you need to invest in your business, right? So basically, if you're gonna do an agency or consulting, you need to charge $2,000 per month minimum. So if you're capped at 5 clients, you're at least making $10,000 per month with your agency, and maybe you can pay someone $2,000 to $3,000 to take care of all those clients, and then you're making $7,000 per month passive. You don't have nothing to do. You're just paying. You're making $10,000, you're paying $3,000 for your media buyer, taking care of your client. Now in the real world, you never want to stay just like that because there's some clients that are going to be dropping eventually. You're always going to want to be in a lead generation progress, right? So you always want to be generating new lead, trying to close new client. So in the real world, you will also get a closer that you will only pay by the commission, and you will either do the lead generation, trying to get some lead, or you will pay someone also by the commission or a monthly services fee to do lead generation for you. There's many ways to do lead generation, but you don't want to rely on just your branding. Don't think that even someone like me, don't think that I can just rely on my Instagram account and my YouTube channel to get some client for consulting or an agency that will pay me $1,000 per month. No, like they're not there. They're not on social media, and if they're there, like they're probably not gonna buy right now. And it's not a system that is scalable, replicatable, and that is like is predictable. So you want to have either a lead generation system organically, or you want to do paid traffic, right? So this is the 3 ways that I make the most money and that you should make the most money. And the 4th way is basically everyone should do that, but you should just do that for 2 reasons. Affiliate marketing, 2 reasons. 1, if you're getting started and you just want to make a little bit of extra income and you want to learn the online marketing game, because you're going to learn. You're going to learn about sales funnel, about Instagram marketing, about email marketing, maybe about ads, about making an offer, selling, etc. But 2, the real ways to make money with affiliate marketing and to really make money with affiliate marketing is when you have one of the 3 things that I talk, or all 3. So selling an info product, having a marketing agency, digital agency, and doing coaching or consulting. Any of those 3, you're gonna have clients that will need other services, other software, other product, and you can refer to them those services, those products, those people, and those courses even, and you make an affiliate marketing commission on that. So this is how you should do affiliate marketing. I literally made over pretty close, maybe $9,500 or close to $10,000 in the past month with affiliate marketing with my business. With my personal affiliate marketing, I don't even think I made $500 last month. And I have 365,000 Instagram followers. So if you guys think that you're gonna make a living with affiliate marketing, you're totally going crazy. You're just gonna make a little bit of money. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, you got my ebook. If you buy any of my ebook, you can promote all my ebooks, all my courses, all my training with my 2 businesses, even my business golden option trading. So if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, you can do that. and there's a huge 33% commission, and like my funnel is converting like crazy. Just to give you an example, if you promote a $7 ebook, if someone buy a $7 ebook from you with your affiliate link, you can make up to $308 that day, because I got a bunch of upsell, downsell, monthly subscription in that funnel right away that day. And it's literally adding up to like $900 something. And if the person take everything, you get 33% of that $900 something. And trust me, there's people that are buying it every single day. So if you promote it well, you can make a bunch of money just promoting my $7 ebook. I also have my other business, golden option trading, that is completely something else. It's Forex trading. So if you're like, oh, it's something completely different, but I think my follower would love that, or I think I could build a YouTube channel, a blog, some YouTube video, whatever around that subject, it's another offer. I got a course and I got a monthly subscription about Forex trading that you can promote. That is converting well. So this is pretty much it. I'll see if there's a few comments that I can answer. Is this the Oura ring? Yes, it is the Oura